In furtherance to our current industrial strike in motion, the National Executive Council, NEC, of the Senior Staff Association, Universities of Ghana, hereby directs all members working in the following sectors of public universities in Ghana to completely lay down their tools with immediate effect until further notice. This is necessitated by government feet-dragging and lackadaisical attitude, which is contrary to the anticipated speed resolution of our demands. It has lasted for nearly 3 years without end in sight. Number 1, hospitals and clinics. 2, fire service. 3, basic schools. 4, anatomy department. We further entreat various universities task force as established by NEC to enforce strict adherence and total compliance to the directives. As much as we regret the dire consequences of this latest action, we sincerely believe government is well placed to immediately arrest the situation by doing the needful to avert the consequences this will have on parents, students, and tertiary education in Ghana. If only education is regarded as one of the best legacies a serious country can bequeath to its citizenry. Signed, Zakaria Muhammad, National Chairman. And the number Eshasi. Well, Yabeko Juan Sonafe, Yaneno Achichin Comania Bisano. Why this latest move? A bank feed dragging, no, saying a corner, and be a bank and commodiano so at the same.
No, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still, I had to try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach.
Most multimedia stations now. Adom FM.
Okay, Tiabusia, 21 minutes after 7. The American Bebre Nature one say okay. And the Senior Staff Association, Universities of Ghana, the Omo Patrani say, Omo industrial strike na a womb say no nature say strike na Omo declare na Omo kono. National Executive Ashe say with immediate effect no just say bro mo tro krata na just say ahye so omo ekuo ma no mo form njuma engu form every say aban negotiations omo ni aban ya na aban twetwe ne nan ase yazo mfi no kra wo hwa aban ya ase yenti obia wo hwa aban ya ase de mba ye bia monye no enti omo so decide setting tone time in fact yetu ye hofo enti omo hye so omo kuo omo fa omo njuma engu form na omati task force ebe make sure say kuo be bia directive omudia be ombedi so enti omo national chairman Zakaria Mohammed ono ana nensa shekrata we ase ye bomodin si ensa be kano na afei ye ne no atwetwe nkomo ye twen Zakaria Mohammed no na the releases na doso pa edoso medwani be twem Adan West District Assembly almost the release aba ambulance na eswa cement no I'm say hey yente da ya tro ho sege da bi enya ye dia
natural beauty, you know. No, I've never been someone shy.
So please with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obetiani.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online e pa app no e be yi aba. Na fe wa download. Unya download app na. Behu bibia ya bia you program that ya ye go na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot to na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohunu ni bo se multimedia stations ni na ho Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM the opportunity no wa click so iti fancy opportunity Adom FM o click so pe the obetiani
Jim FM 106.3 Top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online e pa app no e be yi aba. Na fe wa download. Unya download app na. Behu bibia ya bia you program that ya ye go na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot to na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hits FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so. Iti fancy opposite Adom FM. O click so pe. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3 AM Top.
Sese ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni
3 FM and mekwa homano so na afei mene Zakaria Mohammed ono ene sign the Senior Staff University Association of Ghana no release but before then yeah the any trim ewo Ada West so almost the release aba na release there na patre me ba be kenkan e the mouse here say Ada West District Assembly PO Box 55 Sege Ada for immediate release press release. I say, as a consequence to the ambulance loading cement video, which occurred on 26 March 2021, purportedly inscribed with Sege constituency's name, is regrettable, and we condemn the actions of the said driver in no uncertain terms. However, the Adan West District Assembly Sege constituency wishes to state unequivocally that the purported ambulance in the said video does not belong to the district or constituency. The said vehicle bore a license plate number GV 537-20, whereas that of Ada West District / Sege constituency is GV 677-19. The Ada West District / Sege constituency's vehicle left its duty post in Sege on 28 April 2021 for its regular maintenance and servicing, and it returned to Sege on the 31st of May 2021. According to the press release by the National Ambulance Service dated June 1, 2021, the said ambulance GV 537-20 was yet to be received into the pool of their fleet. It must be noted that at the time of the unfortunate incident, the Sege constituency ambulance was operational and was at its duty post at the assembly premises. The Ada West Assembly, however, want to put on record that the said vehicle is entirely different from the one issued on Thursday, 18 June 2020, judging from the registration numbers, and will never sabotage any government initiatives targeted at improving the lives of its citizens. God bless our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. Aaron Otu, a district coordinating director for district chief executive. Okay. And Tinitia, where when say, indeed, Abda West for so the Aba ambulance na a load cement na indeed, Yatron Sege constituency no. Amo patch say, and your modia no provide the vehicle number. A different from the na a load cement no. Nitia where mono. But the question is, yen say one constituency, one ambulance. And tia bane saying as he say, yenya 2 ambulances are Yatron Sege constituency. Everybody saying, okay, well, you better check home come on na afe ye bisa. And Tiabusia ahaye Adom 106.3 FM. And you need ne me try guma ma mensuro.
Tu bebo Adom online unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yaba na fe wa download di. Unya download di app na behu bibia ya bia you program that ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya short na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho behu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hits FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3 AM Top.
From the Senior Staff Association, Universities of Ghana, more release in industrial strike, you know. But they can't come out. You better come out so you see the impact of it on education. Now, Nooks, our General Secretary, upon Daniel Shremi, Yanino and Chichinkomo. Upon what's mean coming watching?
Yeah, Eja.
Wait, Bibi Abokwana pay.
I'm not even now, sir.
Yamitia Saintia, by your schools, why money was striking?
Right, I think senior staff in various universities no strike system America.
Okay, and your senior staff are why money forming the senior staff at your universities no.
All right, I think that University of Ghana, I think various universities are forming the senior when University of Ghana, Kwame University of Science and Technology UCC. But the senior members now various administrators working in the with PhD working in the various schools and those working in the labs and the other workers as well. So
okay, lecturers can be senior lecturers can administrative staff
PhD.
Okay, great. So I'm gonna form the Senior Staff Association and currently I'm on strike.
Never trying.
Until now, I'm there.
Okay.
Really? For how long?
All right. I think that it's been almost 3 weeks now.
So it's been 3 weeks at the Shrebia and Koso in our various universities.
Never trying.
And more reason is saying?
I'm reason is that I think that I'm tier 2 pension plans now. I'm the government review.
And since then, more call lecturers are lecturers in my dear.
Right, I think one of the challenges I face upon myself, I'm a chemistry final year student. I think that we are working on a lot of projects.
Jim FM
running through a lot of tests, and now the staffs are not coming to the labs, lecturers are not coming, and that at the end of the level 400 students, they find themselves at a very tight corner. Ama addition to my Isibasa. In your name, someone come say additional demos are lecturers in because of say a more tier 2 pension pay. I think that a more secure government government in so far plans and as one can found Jamai NCI stranded at 2 and say additional to my basa.
But your one latest release, you know.
But I'm praying I mean but me reading.
Okay, me will be wa na enra na omo issue here and penny and saka. Omo patress with immediate effect, you know. Strike, you know. Idea omo twaso because I buy in fee omo. Everybody say
they are asking the essential services to also join them.
Yeah.
Those in the hospitals.
Hospitals, fire service, basic schools, anatomy department.
Exactly.
Whoa. And since someone joining your mom, how would it affect studies?
I think that now, currently as we speak now, with the senior members not even coming to class, I say study type, CBR, and now the university operates in conjunction with the hospitals and all the essential services. So if they also come to your house, I think that they have gidi. How never does for more because you and more day to day among for one better hospital now say be do not hospitals any adwuma about science young but ebema assistant or campus I think see each and every day now course from different universities are more lodging same complaints, but I think the NCA taking initiatives as the National Union of Ghana students require so as students but the NCA my found.
Okay, and see, Nooks as a body, as part of more steps, then I'm obey.
All right, just recently, say, Minister of Education, one regarding the Rastafarian issue, and two regarding the same issue. Minister Namaya was, I think, what the key steps are more, and many are not making them out to 2 years because them say, they never had this year. On behalf of the Niamey attitude, because some statistics are more than ensure saying money and the year at the Ama, Yanswa Disha for NCS Madrid.
A patrol Hanamantio, also why next the year by 2 years.
I'm saying, make us just recently, Neti is your Minister of Education.
Right.
And making discussions, especially regarding current happenings. And automatic steps are more than and money and premium more than the 2 years to the bear. A bit me go back to school and I say workers in bit my resume on work and I'm additional semi 13.
About your minister, mamo timelines be.
But on my timeline, but I say they are on it within this week, next week, there. I'm very normal in Yamati, but that notwithstanding, I think that you making follow-ups. National executives in Nawa cry, they didn't have to see France and will be able to.
Great, thank you. Me and Fancy. Why? Daniel Treme, as some drink count. I was Daniel Oponchereme, Nooks General Secretary, and I attend in Kano on this same industrial striker, University Staff Association of Ghana. I'm declare currently, I'm more calling for the following departments. So I'm joining hospitals and clinics, fire service, basic schools, anatomy department. Well, yeah, but modern CS the Minister of Education or any official or the ministry or you're responsible bit me akasafa honafi and then come on the steps are omoteki. But what joining a higher dome 106.3 FM, Jussel St. Jumedie, 34 minutes after 7. The best drinker was to me right after at lunchtime. Oh, no, be no one Puma drink. Why? Puma drink and Kolani Kosku to be sure mo bagim no Franco school lunchtime yepa so we be Puma drink and now another energy no which media continue ayewe juma till so we be pom Puma drink your flavors no dosun banana tropical apple pineapple malt energy more tamarind cranberry orange cola Puma drink flavor ben aupe ubenya bi Puma drink eyema obia Puma eyema 1 CD 50 pesos Puma drink wholesalers etono 13 CDs per pack and retailers etono 15 CDs per pack Puma drink another quality product kasa preko ediaba ubetumi afre number medi 2J na wako to Puma drink abe goofy to Puma drink ebe go shop neton 0262 351 251 0262 351 251. Latest foam, your partner for life. I may catch us a whooping konya papa and one latest foam, Eddie 1-seater, 2-seaters, 3-seater L-shaped sofa. Eddie Abedjam, the finest, open quality, open comfortability, open durability, and one latest foam konya. Latest foam, your partner for life. Bomodine komasyo and afe latest foam konya no na eco pebi. Access Bank, ewo 52 branches nationwide. Not just a region bia wo bia. Access Bank ewo ho. Access Bank esmen kan sure say remittances no obi send you ska efia brochure and also send this ka e dia mo bia. Wo send this ka no na wo nya ho achede free airtime ya de be ma shopping vouchers ya de be ma no watumi akọ shop baby a wo pe bia and one is say obi send you scan o si on fanfa Western Union, MoneyGram, Ria, Zpay, Unity Link, Wave, World Remit, any Access Africa. Access Bank and Krabate bia mo de fa ho a wo dem shenen so ma me say obetimi so ama nipa na send this scanner fa wo Access Bank account ne mu directly and one say wo the bank account no ama nipa kro or send dia on sabeka very safe, secure and very very fast. Open cheche mu bia obetimi afre Access Bank ewo 0800 004400 0800 004400 and I'll become a website www.ghana.accessbankplc.com. Afe wo follow on social media handles so obenya all the information wo pe enche mekwa ahoma no so na makochichi nkomo but tiewe
Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi itu bebo Adom online ewo unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba na fe wa downloadi unya downloadi app na behu bibia ya yi bia program tada ya yi go na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bibia ya trot na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohun ni both multimedia stations in now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite will no one click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The opposite army.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
sisi ekwan fofo obetimi afa so etie Adom FM ewo internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi
yeah ose ene de bisi ya adane de bisi ni bia iji enrade no banrade no ma ana debi ose mi de sika so oh tie si America won ti asi jenu no didi a no de adun ana tie peut-être we no para de be ni sika ma no be so we ko kuma se ni fabra me fa ni ya parce que on va pas se voir nya wote on va bisa sami so ara ti bi on ba o ba sa
Minutes after 7, Miridi at Down West District Assembly almost release a ambulance na load cement in home. According to them, even though ambulance yatroho Sege constituency, but it doesn't belong to Omo constituency. Omo constituency diano. And the vehicle number no GV 677-19. Enche yebeka homanso fe yene Ajote Lawe Akrofi Adan West Sege constituency district chief executive yene no ebechichi nkomo na afe wamaye nchechemu.
si America won ti asi jenu no didi a no de adun ana tie peut-être we no para de be ni sika ma no be so we ko kuma se ni fabra me fa ni ya parce que on va pas se voir nya wote on va bisa sami so ara ti bi on ba o ba sa ndo ba ose fabra yeah ose ene de bisi ya adane de bisi ni bia iji enrade no banrade no ma ana debi ose mi de sika so oh tie si America won ti asi jenu no didi a no de adun ana
Up the 2nd of July, 16 schools. St. Jerome SHS. Anyembia ombetumi defend your title now. And I said the other schools in BGF your monsam. We're talking about OWAS, Prempeh College, yes, Ghana Muslim Mission, Supercast, the best school in Ghana. Presby Secondary. Amobeji, I will bompata. And I said, why never Beji? Well, medium say Supercast Beji. Make a date. You're starting Monday, the 31st of May, to mark up him the 2nd of July. Feel that excitement as in Kolani debating senior high schools in the Ashanti region. Catch it live at our Facebook at Love 99.5 FM and our radio show live Love 99.5 FM. So our Joy Prime and Joy Learning Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 1 p.m. area. Stay glued to your TV. Event with Love 99.5 FM in collaboration with Ashanti Regional SRC, the Ghana Education Service, and the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools Charge. Jumedia proudly sponsored by Cowbell, our milk, Key Soap by Unilever. Good morning to you, Dr. Enima Riafe Akenteng. Good morning.
Watch out!
Gonna make my reservation. I put it in a place in line. I'll be waiting just for him. When he finds the time. I don't care what they say. He takes my
A special good morning and come at Dr. N.S. John and the John family. Good morning. That's right.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't
Adom online unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba na fe wa download unya download app na behu bibi a yayi bia program dada yayi gu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya trotro to na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohunu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no click so. It fancy opposite Adom FM. O click so pay. The obetiani
Jim FM 106.3 top.
Sisi ekwanfo for betimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download it. Unya download the app na. Behu bibi a yayi bia program dada yayi gu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya trotro to na obetimi eti ni na bibia but oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohunu ni both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite no wa click so.
Who a PRO for the DC Yada West. Menen and Chichin come out too bad. Them say, yeah, Lucien wa Homano. So, Alex, Bacho, Signbra, why, Nian Chichin come on ambulance, no, Yentumi and Kahwasam. Reggae Friday, 45 after 7. And during Friday, they me take easy because I'm better relaxing. And I'm going to.
Debbie, the same was that song. Oh, tea. See, I make a one chance in general, did ya? Not that. The president will not bad at everything. The best of your command in Fabra, so we find your Mascana because we don't want out. But the business I'm going to go around if you're by Fabra. Who's an enemy? I don't know the business in Libya, and Radiano. Maybe the same was that song. Oh, tea. See, I make a one chance in general, did ya? Not that. The president will not bad at everything. The best of your command in Fabra, so we find your Mascana because we don't want out. But the business I'm going to go around if you're by was it? Fabra. Who's an enemy? I don't know the business in Libya, and Radiano. Debbie, the same was that song. Oh, tea. See, I make a one chance in general, did ya? Not that. The president will not bad at everything. The best of your command in Fabra, so we find your Mascana because we don't want out. But the business I'm going to go around if you're by was it? Fabra. Who's an enemy? I don't know the business in Libya, and Radiano. Debbie, the same was that song. Oh, tea. See, I make a one chance in general, did ya? Not that. The president will not bad at everything. The best of your command in Fabra, so we find your Mascana because we don't want out. But the business I'm going to go around if you're by was it? Fabra. Who's an enemy? I don't know the business in Libya, and Radiano. Debbie, the same was that song. Oh, tea. See, I make a one chance in general, did ya? Not that. The president will not bad at everything. The best of your command in Fabra, so we find your Mascana because we don't want out. But the business I'm going to go around if you're by was it? Fabra. Who's an enemy? I don't know the business in Libya, and Radiano. Debbie, the same was that song. Oh, tea. See, I make a one chance in general, did ya? Not that. The president will not bad at everything. The best of your command in Fabra, so we find your Mascana because we don't want out.
What's up? Maybe I'll call you. As I am when guy messages, I'm sending Momo. do Friday dia Momo Friday. Yes, so me come Momo show areho. The producer go fiasa na join me. Ya dey na post the bro. I be say na post your fast na kese ma. Star Assurance, your solid partner. CBG, we stand with you. Vodafone, together we can. Agbefe Herbal Center, Access Bank, more than banking. And latest from your partner for life. I'm gonna say ya dey na post the bro. And na Kofi Eda woso ne. Kofi bibi abogo there.
Friday.
And that was so na for joy we done.
Every Friday dia na sa we need to access.
Oh aden.
You be fine aden. Na Friday. Friday mu ye. Ehwese na we si ase uti ho out.
O say masa mem
we si ase uti ho out we ya. Na on si uti ho.
Na masimi ti wa na geze mbotom ye.
Ya tisika so so.
Oh, I asamo. Ya tisika so come there. Ya tisika na boyebo.
We are fine.
Asamo.
Ade say ya mo nya me sotro.
Oh, David. We are find it no abrazo.
Edu ko mi no shawa. Yes. We are fine. Na mi share na mi se na Bibi abe fa masa.
Ja fine.
That's right. We show friends na to da na.
Masa.
Emewa.
O de bibi abe fine we trash. O de kan ye na grofo mo a.
Yeah, we mu so dim say e komedo.
Yeah, asemo.
Say na o kan no. And then Momo Friday.
Oh, I did Momo Friday.
Omo nu na mano.
From all angles.
We so me maka ni say no so we are we be bu nkunta kire me.
O say.
Me say
and ya onim.
I was so jan no corner mu ha.
Ma me fa me
mo ma tobo. I was some ni hia. Ha na nkwaje wo. Dedication I am sending na. What the fuck are you a phone so na mo fa hwen kan no. Sremo a. Adaroma. I was me kan kire mo say, "Oh yeah, public announcement." I was me kan kire mo say, "Sremo adaroma."
Asemo.
Sa John Dumelo adwuma no we ga.
Well, just had to very
obo tree na o fufu enum koko okwa hu na no na echire no angozi aga etu eja mo forward messages no na mo woso.
Wow. But your mama fa we ntum ye di kai say accident bi asi wo motorway no so enti ya me nya ne say serious traffic pa e wo motorway no so in fact we fit ma e ba right after the toll booth nya dia e movie cry e besre MTTD for mombo modern na mombo ayen why na nkrofo kwa adwuma ye besre am say for almost 30 minutes car bia movie cry and you know your best remo pass more when kwande mombo modern na free traffic in my yen yes remo tema to Accra right after the toll booth and koye cry and koye cry your best remo mon share my yen Kofi ya kwani saying
nti me the Daily Graphic na me di edi kan.
Okay.
Na story be of front page of the Daily Graphic.
Almost saying
na Artisan Center. Na yesi me kai pa 6 years ago.
Yareho Ghana ha. Ghana yareho sem say.
6 years ago me kai pa sa omu commission ade no me kobi. I was there. Ahemfo a shentare kama abet na honum.
Commission so the commissioner emu twene ni ade.
Yes, we car park e wo honum washrooms ni ade a. Yes, omo ana omo ye Ken hu adwuma yi rafta ni Ken hu adwuma. Ye di omo kogu honum omo koye.
Asemo.
Asemba kohwe. Ena esi honum a.
Esi white elephant.
Pro. 6 years ago. Me say
Prompo.
Asiti. Ya go fa brofo ni ade o ebeye ye.
Eno ano no.
Enti front page of the Daily Graphic e wo honum ofa atete apansa so you sorry yes yetisika so
come there
sika dey akoya ade a afi ekom di nkoko
yeah discuss so come there
enti ofa the front page of the Daily Graphic one big story e wo honum no na Ghana for ayade pa free nanu wukwada
Jim FM
me sure say nekra no Oko Sakra Onu.
Yeah.
Sir John.
Sir John.
Wenya ni baby ko.
Sir John.
Oko ni kroma.
Baby omusie no so de efe pa. Ekoye.
na say no na me hu pictures bi o mo ye comparison bi say school block bi ni baby ayese say John
oh
Sebi, Ghana for omuni
Debi o, and you may be on what ya be we see
sometimes.
Sir John Brown abeboy. Only scars
lawyer. Bob Bra, the biggest party currently in power.
In power. Now mo be see omo this year. And you former general secretary.
Sometimes now you move you cry shada mo bra you cry
former general secretary of a ruling party. And come and see anything. And don't quite the Omunjai. And don't quite Ana me Adiba Kwame Rehua. Adiba Kwame Rehua, Yame Ya, and Nequina or Mania. Honestly, a quine de Naka some and be before Manima Guasepa. And don't quite them when you were Guasia
before some Messian
and the president for Quine was so coy. Oh, Echo did tribute a boss John Abasso.
Say and Sir John Crown.
And him say, how can you do that? I don't quite here.
If they have anything to do
to honor Sir John,
they should go and
Mafaso in Kataima, a him sending one and no. Come on, so now you're there. I know you're there in Boasia say,
oh, Omanyadi,
I don't quite the Omanyadi.
Yes, Omukodu Yano, Omukodu Yano, Omukodu Hotel, Omukodu when you wash it. I mean, how can you do this?
And foot Ravi and penetrate
a general secretary of your office. I mean,
and I know one for quite so how do you man Mosayaba? How do you man yadi? Where then was here,
Minister of Rules.
I was Facebook never share baby. I see Sir John. FF.
Any of Ankasa, Minister of Rules.
Oh, what farm job of Fasem? What farm work job of Fasem? What farm Bojuma job of Fasem?
Oh, with now, but offer.
Offer. Quarter seven. Okay, Jai. Offer. Jai. What for seminal number? What for Juma? And they don't know. What for quite to be?
But I'm of Ankasa.
Was there more quarter to offer quite to be? Airport St. John.
Where personal petition.
As a man of personal petitions. I idea was so young. Now, what for what for Sumi? But some more quarter. What for quite ways to be? Aqua, ready, yes. And the handkerchief for paper when him say Wusu.
Because there's someone chief food throne.
Oh, fat crime was so sacred.
Offer. Yes,
Ghana was a new grassy member. I won't say what I say. Where are you yesterday? What's that? There was a young say. Jai was a more quarter when you, oh, Jay. Oh, Master, I did say now, okay. Master, I say now, okay. Yanti Kroma by election overnight near book so I electrification project. I did okay. For John, there be near Connie Slow. For China. What the saying? For John, I said, okay.
Then you should go to the finance.
Oh, Master, me say. No, I said, okay. Look, am I young director? I deal with to presidency. No man, Penny and the coach say John, a question in pride. Say they obey the president. And cry, and boss, shall we? What to the new come Kayamano? I said, man, for John, you're calling slow. Mumbai, it's any blue one. I said, man, Papa, Facebook never share crime where you are. MPP for Faso, a good sister. A crime when you're modified fast. And in Quasia way for job as somebody for wash it. Mofa crime way so I Facebook.
Canada can see no cry. Almost just a young when you a confirm when NPP flag as I want. The Ghana flag about a crime where you're crying the Ghana flag NPP flag. I mean, and in Guassi, they say, that is called.
ɛwɔ ɔman mu sɛ yɛ mpae kwan wɔ ɔman mu ne ɛte sɛ yɛde soboɔ bɔ no ɛne ɔman foto sanfo now say tie papa say
John
the road no amon budget is our road now
amon budget road now
forget it for John asema ye can say e dey na budget
the road can be done at any time in the memory of Sir John but you cannot force them to do the road
anytime you produce
retribute
appreciative any son ya say John ye man no President Mills owuye o man panimu a owuye eje ya se ne ye de bibi etu ni ase ye bibi edi ashe ni nanyonyam so the party
aseme na abeka you see anti chrome ha
ni mu a ye de chrome quite ye be do kana ho na na ya aseme na kan
e kan bi bu be se
ni pa ye wo mo ko se wa cha
ni wo sabi oni kata auto
aseme
se
na se and no mo ko ye ni na first wo no ni kata to
hospital no we see hospital when we hospital na kwa no se
Messi Sir John
tete no ma ye covid e wo ho
amaye wa fa
bridge
what do you mean me show
an indication
oh yeah
anu ya no mo
education and boasie say education
me say no ya mo
and boasie say education time na busuafo e be bomb ampani amane say obo be say Sir John aseme na okay
tie enti say
na news
enti say ever say bosom
the voice no
for the way and I say busum mienu no ma ye kwan no kama
busum mienu wa kan
no ma ye hospital na suo no no me say John ni atoso a eno anya
ye mpe after
when you want
kwan no mo fast adaka na wo so Sir John imu awu osan so de honam ya na kwa asase asembe na okay ni pe ye wu mo be say na asomdwehwe adaka na wo so adaka no kra bebie
anu de o ma nya
adaka no kra bebie ade honam ya na de ko asamando asembe na okay
you found the theory
na dia na okay
akosie na asomdwe
ni we esie we nya asomdwe ana ni pe dia adaka ma osu asema na okay
I said who flesuman
eh na asema na okay enti ni pe dia adaka ma adaka ni bia o ni pe yisu yi
we asuma se
omuni se omoko no omuni se kwan ne nyanti na omuni emu no omuni fa helicopter na omuni call ya na omgodu kwan ne tifi on na omuni se ene ebese yan
ba bia omudu ya omuyi adaka na ene wo de bra Facebook behwe adaka na wo so ba bia ade ye ni krom ha na by election ba overnight omoko di kwan so egusu kota ye ni krom ha ebe se kosi polls at the street guy bon because of by-election. I said, man, okay. In Anna Sir John, a former general secretary of your party, and in Guasia say, one line at V8, people, and I'm going to call Sakrao no. I said, and in Guasia Beva, a quiet to say, I said, man, okay. Yanko Crown and the trim, Yanko Crown and the trim, like I was saying, you're not talk, not V8 in Akika form. I'm a debate cry. Mania wu na me de mom ya ndwen ya ho de asembe na mo ke
go say Sir John akwan fun say na mo de fa so go say Sir John
mo kokrom okra mani
of am akwata we de enim ya
o ba
nya ba wie ba to betimi ate anim
oh wait oni anim bi ate
enya ba wie ba
oni anim bi ate
ja mo ko kwan no ma no
oh
aba
ya ba de we ya
yes president come to ntoma miensa nkwa no de koye
o changes
so be fa be na mfu try na ho
ozazo ko share bo
eye ni mom de
nkwan wo ho
yo
nkwan wo ho na o za ma focus o mo to ade nkwan wo ho
o ma ye ni kama
nkwan wo ho
na ya beda Ghana fo nyina
nkwan wo ho
eye ni de motumi esi papa ni ekwan na na enye bate ye makwan nkwa so ense
dia papa ne yebeka yebeka eye ni dia omo ye eye nkrofo didwa
eye mu ga
ana ma nkrofo so aden esetifa na ode ye radi yesu nkrofo aye ni omo ye chi o e ba se na ye yankobi
na ko ye ka se ko so
o se
na we hwe bia esie ni wo bia da no wo picture some come
and the effect and the wo share ye park ho so a o ade decoration na koye pa
come on
about kwan no enya yanka
kwan no nye
kwan no nye
adeka we ka sapeti krakrakra mo sapeti so kakrakra mom
nim guase o mo njo ma se
sapeti ya ma ye ya mo ka sapeti so kakrakra mom no mo fa so aye kwan tru ka se na ma fa so na
kwan we ka first class na kama giso chebi die ni bi dia kwese mo akwata ye woni krom no wo giso mirror road na kwese mo akwata ye woni krom wo so abo hu anim ewom mirror ni krom dia waye sai don dia ya giso asema na wuke
ofa be
chebi die ni bi wo so wo hu anim mo man pani we kwa dia wanya wo so aya da wo fa sam no kwese mo akwata wo ka wo fa obi ehun no
ofa be na de
kwese wo fa krom dia enioma waye
ofa be ye
dia na okay
ofa be ye
na ba cho hwan ni
ofa be ye
for John ba cho hwan no omra me hwe no hwan ya
na wo
hey
Jim FM
Ose ma
ofa be
sorry
Jim FM
na
okay
yes so yes engrofo mako and omo so and am say bi ebu omo so a
hey Sanity.
Asempa minu na adwuma na na so hwe ba
mi. Dabi ase na ti. Bonyum ni sorry ko.
Emu ye da fe de ya na ye. And Friday.
I was ya come for commercial break ya babaka. I do sports page one.
Rise up and be a star. Strengthen with BX stars.
BX free and ponsa ifa pharmaceuticals ya grofo fra. Ebo ahuna metwetwe ne pa e wa aduane a yedie mu. Ne senti